Here we come to the elevator at Macy's at Hulen Mall in Fort Worth, Texas.
I'll just wait here then. So you're gonna go one up, one down, then I can get on?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't let that call button fool you because I already see that Montgomery vector key switch. Look what we got on the inside. And there's music playing, so I'm gonna have to talk over as much as I could. But look at this. Vector. All right. Let's close up the door quick because there is music playing out there. It's very loud. I don't want to get a copyright. But this door's slammed. Something wrong with that chime. You could hear it chirping. Listen to that. Listen to that. It's like literally chirping and chirping and chirping. But as soon as I go down, it literally chimes very loudly. Here's your phone. All right, let's go down to LL and we'll pick Hanny up. Now the chime releases. Now the chime sound unleashes itself. You can come in, Hanny. I'm not sure if you know, but when the elevator stops at the second floor, you can hear that electronic chime going chirp, chirp.
Oh, I
chirp.
know.
And when it goes down, it literally unleashes its
Oh,
voice.
it's loud. I know.
It's very loud. Yeah, I wrote this when I just wrote this seconds ago. It kind of What also startled me is the door slammed so loudly. Look at this. Look how loud. Look how rough it is. Oh, it's not.
Yeah, that is a loud chime.
It is. Actually, it's Don't get out of the elevator yet. I mean, look at look at the doors. They slam so roughly. It kind of startled me the first thing I rode this elevator. Bang. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exit here. Anyways, I'm not gonna film the rest of the elevators because they're nothing really that exciting. So this is gonna be the one. I'm gonna get a view of that door slam one more time. That door slams. Well, yeah, this is the only elevator I'm gonna do because Hanny has filmed the rest of the elevators. It should close. And with a bang. That'll be it. Thanks for watching.